write the inequality. Got it?
5 and is less than 25.
Okay, I like most of it.
The sign is
Okay, so if I have at least $25, and here's how I think I was thinking, think about what's in your pocket. If you have at least $25 in your pocket, you have more. At least 25? Yeah, there could be more there, right? If I say I've got at least $25, hopefully I got some more money, right? We would like, what was a good more? Okay, so at least 25, so this would be my smallest number, and I'm going up from there. Okay, so if this side's your smallest, what's this side going to be? The biggest. Alligator eats the bigger side. Very good. Okay, so when we look at this, alligator eats the bigger side. 25 is the smallest amount. Now, if I have at least 25, could you equal 25? Yes, you could. All right, so we want an equal sign in there. All right, so now based on that, how are we going to solve this? What are we going to do to both sides, Link? Divide by 5. All right, so we divide by 5. So n would be greater than or equal to 5. And then line in, set brackets. Okay? All right, is everybody okay on that? Okay, so I'm going to walk you through kind of 3A here a little bit. And then I'm going to have you guys partner up a little bit and try a couple of these, okay? Because I know the word problems are a little trickier, okay? All right, so first off, we're going to have the same set of rules that we had on equations. We're going to find a variable. We're going to write an inequality instead of an equation. We're going to solve it, and then we're going to write a sentence, okay? So the hard drive on your computer has a capacity of 120 gigabytes. If you've used 85 gigabytes, you want to save some home videos to your hard drive. What are possible sizes of the home video collection you can save? Okay, first off, what are we looking for here?
How many videos you can save?
Okay, so you could say the size of a home video collection. You could even just talk about leftover gigabytes. Any of that would work, okay? All right, so we start by defining our variable. And I'm going to put G, so I'm going to put gigabytes left. Okay? If you want to put something about home videos, that's fine. Okay? All right, so now your computer has 120, you used up 85. What are you going to do to figure out how much you've got left? You see it?
You're gonna take 85 gigabytes plus a number is less than 120 gigabytes.
Okay, so let's take a look at this. In reality, most of you guys probably would have told me subtract. 120 minus 85, right? And that'll give you your answer. And that's okay. If you're a person who would have said 120 minus 85 and would have told me you get 40, no, how about 35 left over? 35, you are correct. Okay? I have no problem with you writing it like that. Okay? Now, down here, realize it's going to be the same thing. We're just going to subtract 85 off and get 35. Okay? Is everybody okay with that? Okay, so what we need to look at is we need to double check and make sure our sign is correct. Okay? So if you have a capacity of 120 gigabytes, 120 would be your biggest amount. So I like that the alligator's eating that. However, can you equal 120?
Yeah, greater than equals.
Okay, so I put an equal sign in there. Okay, and then we subtract. So we end up with G is less than or equal to 1 or to 35. Okay, now if you're that person though that prefers this way and this is what you were doing, that's fine. Okay, your variable will be on the other side, right? 120 is still your biggest number, so alligator's still eating the bigger number. Okay, so if I look at that and kind of bring it down, if you flip it around, you're going to end up with the exact same answer. It does not matter which way you do it. So if you just see subtract, I need to subtract, that's how I get my answer, then do that way. If you see that you can write an inequality with a variable on the one side, that's fine, and your total on the other. It doesn't matter which way because you're going to end up with the same answer. Okay? Now, the sentence is where we've got a small adjustment. Okay? What would be a good sentence here? So if I'm looking at that as my answer, what are we talking about here? Ashley?
Since you're talking about gigabytes left, you say the hard drive has 35 gigabytes left.
Close. Okay, the hard drive, go ahead, you know what to do, has, not
At
just
least 35?
close, at most, that's the most you can put on there. So at most, 35 gigabytes left. Something along those lines. Or you could say you have 35 gigabytes for home videos or whatever, okay? But here's the important part right here, guys. You have to have an inequality word in there. You have to talk about at most, at least, up to. I mean, it doesn't have to be fancy. So you could say there's up to 35 gigabytes left on this computer, okay? But you have to put something that's telling us that 35 is the most, we could go lower and that would be okay. So you have to use inequality words or you're gonna miss a half a point every time, okay? All right, I want you and your partner, to try to do B right now on your own. So you two work together, see what you guys can come up with, and then we'll talk about it, okay? So I'm gonna give you 3 or 4